Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from POCO M5 to an Android device. Begin with accessing Play Store on both smartphones and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, you need to tap on Open on both smartphones, and in order to continue, click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow in Send Anywhere app. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select Receive over here at the bottom on your Android and Send at the bottom left corner on POCO. Following that, tap on one of those categories or select Resend and click on all of those type of dots. After that, you need to choose Send over here. This way you will select all of those files and then send them. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one. Click on Send and tap on Got It. Now on an Android, you need to tap on one of those options. I will go with No Thanks and choose Close this window. From here, as you can see, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then hit Receive button, or we can scan this QR code. If you wish to scan it, you need to select scanning icon on your Android, then choose while using the app or only this time, and point your camera at the code. Now as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!